Hello everyone, welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. In the last episode, I started off with kind of a rant about my enjoyment of the game and everything, and I had to really get back into the feel of it. But now we can finally truly play the game. Why is there a weird thing on the left of my screen? There's a weird thing on the left of my screen and I don't know what it is. I just now noticed it. What is that? Doesn't... Maybe that's supposed to be there. There we go. So we've arrived on planet Novalis, I think it was. And we found out that I don't know if we got his name, but some evil dickhead, literally, named Chairman Drek wants to rebuild a planet because his own planet is so overpopulated, so polluted, and so absolutely uninhabitable that he's wanting to make a planet of his own. And to do so, he's taking chunks out of other planets that will send them spiraling into whatever nearest star or sun or whatever is nearby, and the people on there, if they don't escape the planets in time, are going to die. So basically, he's committing mass genocide for his own benefit. But we are going to put a stop to that. Somehow, some way. I don't know if I have the right material, or not material, the right equipment to go down there, but no shame in trying. Okay, it's not that long, okay. I was worried it was going to be like a very long tunnel full of water. Because at the moment, we can't breathe underwater. But that'll change later. Ah yes, those little bird bot turd bots. Hiya! I can't stop looking at that bar on the right now. Wait. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that's what it is. It's an oxygen meter. Wait, I think I know what's going on here. So, I think what the problem is that, I think the problem here is that the screen is, like, incorrectly configured. So, okay, once I get out of here, I'm gonna have to configure the screen some. And I'm gonna have to, like, figure this out. So let me think. Full screen? I think there's like an option for in display settings for a full screen view of certain games like this. And I may need to configure it for that. Okay. Also, view missions. Oh, no. Okay, no. Play Infobot. Okay, that's what I did. Okay. I'll be right back, folks. I need to figure out what's going on here. Okay, so I couldn't fix what was wrong with the Gadgetron vendor guy.
I got some great bargains for you today.
But... oh wait, actually...
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Pyrocitor. Pyrocitor? Pyrocitor? I don't know. Let's test out this bad boy right down here. So the nice thing about the first game is that you don't have to worry about any like level up progress for your weapons, and there's going to be a very good reason for that later on. Okay, how do I... Okay. I don't think you want to mess with me, pal. I wish I could crouch and walk. That'd be nice. Oh yeah. You don't mess with me, good sir. Don't mess with me. I'll fuck you up. So as we go along through the playthrough of each game, hopefully you'll all start to understand why exactly I just so badly love these kinds of games. Because one of the reasons is they have gadgets for pretty much solve all the inconveniences you might have. And you'll find out what I mean later on. Ow. Okay, I think that's like the first time I got hit. I don't know what that was. That didn't sound good. One of the other great things is that there's backtracking whenever you get a new weapon or a new gadget. And that gadget, or the backtracking, can be pretty rewarding. There's gadgets to make certain tasks easier. I'm keeping it very vague for those of you who have never seen this game before. But all I can say is there's a lot to love about these games. And I gotta say, on a 4K TV, the quality ain't that bad. It's just that the resolution is 1280 by 720. But for the most part, it's not that bad. Now, I mentioned skill points earlier. I'm mostly going to be worrying about skill points after I beat each game. I'm not sure at what point after I beat each game, but after I beat each game. Like, after I beat this game, I'll go back and do all the skill points. Because I think there's 30 skill points in each game. And I'm fairly certain that'll make for a very, very nice replacement for getting all the trophies. Ow. Really starting to get into the feel of this now, which is awesome. I'll take that. Hey, isn't that where I, No, I don't think that's where I came from. Is it? Actually, no, I think it is. Huh. Bring it on, folks. You can't stop Ratchet. someone shoot at me? Or was that just a laser in the sky? Probably just a laser in the sky. Eh.
Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Oh, what are you? Mercenaries? Torturers? Assassins? I'll tell you anything. Here, take my infobot. It's all I've got left.
Sir, we're not assassins.
Hold on. Let's see what he's got.
Has this ever happened to you? Hi, I'm Captain Quark, and believe me, there's nothing worse than staring down a Blargian snagglebeast from the inside and knowing your equipment isn't functioning properly. That's why I come to Al's Robo Shack for all my electronic needs. Al has been the exclusive repair shop for my super electro gadgets since I was knee-high to a sand mouse. If Al can't fix it, it's not broke. Right, Al? You said it, pal. So if you're fighting crime, or just fighting grime, come to Al's RoboShack in Metropolis for all your robotic repairs. Al's RoboShack, it's Quarktastic!
Do you know what this means?
Yeah, Captain Quark is really sold out.
No, it means Captain Quark is on Metropolis. We could tell him about this invasion.
If we had a ship.
What? A ship? What? You're not going to torture me? Well, as planetary chairman, I could arrange for you to borrow our courier ship.
Cool.
You can count on us, sir.
Right. Thank you, your chairman shipliness.
Now
Smooth.
you have coordinates for 2 new planets. You can use your ship. Press the select button to bring up the map. Your ship is marked with a star.
That it is. Alright, let's see what else is around here. We're gonna head off to Iridia first. Alright, is that all the crates? Looks like it. Few loose screws around, but I'm good. So we've explored pretty much everywhere here. I don't know why the screen is dark. Can I... hang on, I'm gonna... No, it looks fine. Maybe it just does that for the pause menu. Alright, let's see where we can go. So there's Novalis, Iridia, Kerwan. We'll go to planet Iridia.
Mayday, mayday.
Oh, shoot, no. Wrong button. No. Damn it, wrong button. Okay, yeah, I can skip that cutscene. Okay. Alright, yeah. Blast off! Perfect. What do we got?
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Alright, not much. So usually whenever you land on a new planet, there's usually a new gadget or weapon, or mostly a weapon for you to buy. Usually when you land on a new planet. That's gonna be kind of a tricky thing to handle in probably in this game and others. Because well, I guess not as much because, you know, I just need to have enough bolts to get the weapon, and I don't have to worry about leveling any up. But you know. Gonna be kind of tough to handle.
It's him, Skidd McMarx.
That man from the infobot.
In the flesh, little dude. You guys get a load of that epic space battle I was in?
We saw ya, screaming for help.
That was like a war cry. My agent and I got ambushed on the way to hoverboard practice.
Did he survive the crash, sir?
Yeah, he's okay. But I've had a little trouble getting back to my ship due to my sprained ankle.
Oh, come on.
If you can take out all the sand sharks, I just might have a spare hoverboard for you.
We'd love to help you, Mr. McMarx, but Ratchet and I need to find Captain...
One of your boards? I've always wanted a decent hoverboard. Well, alright. You just keep that foot elevated.
Sweet! Gotta love a good old-fashioned, doable deal with some popular celebrity. So we help Skidd McMarx, and we get a spare hoverboard. Aw, crap. Ah! I think in a... Crap. Yeah. Shoot the damn thing. I think in Going Commando and Up Your Arsenal, they make it so the game pauses while you're selecting weapons to avoid problems like, you know, getting hit while you're trying to choose a weapon. So first things first, take out all of these sand shark spawners. Oh! Ah! Oh god, ambush, ambush, oh god. That just kind of came out of nowhere. I will say this Pyrocitor is definitely a lifesaver. Alright, there's one. Wait, is that? That is. It's a gold bolt. Crap. How do I get in there? Bomb glove? Nah, I didn't think that would work. All right, so we're gonna need another weapon to come back here later. But we at least know it's there. Ooh, a lot of bolts around here. Alright, there should be a sand shark spawner up here. Yep. Oh, there's two. That leaves three. That leaves two. Did I mention this game also has replay value? This game has what is called a challenge mode. And basically, it allows you to replay the game again with all the gadgets and weapons, or I think usually mostly the weapons you have. Since, you know, you can always go back to previous planets with the gadgets you obtained the first time. And you can obtain extra bolts. It's a really nice feature if you're looking to get rich quick. Because you're definitely going to want to save up on bolts, and you're going to want to be careful when fighting, because you want to conserve ammo and avoid spending too many bolts. But there is going to be a weapon or gadget later on that actually will help you with saving costs. There's like a gadget for pretty much every inconvenience in this game, and I love it. I love it to pieces. I'm not going to give away too much though, but I will tell you, I'm just telling you that there are gadgets for pretty much any occasion. And it's like the best fucking thing ever. It's part of why I love this game. Alright. There you are. Oh, and there you are. Dunzo.
Here, man. Catch.
A brand new Z3000. You can't even buy these.
Well, I got a bail. Catch you dudes at the hoverboard races.
You've just acquired a Gadgetron Z3000 hoverboard. Use your new hoverboard at the racetrack in Blackwater City on Clank Railguard.
Cool. So not only did we get a personal interaction with famous hoverboard racer Skidd McMarx, but we got a Z3000, which apparently, as Ratchet says, you can't even buy anymore. Cool. I feel like that could be made into a meme at this point, where instead of a hoverboard, Skidd just tosses Ratchet a freaking PS5, and Ratchet's like, hey, PlayStation 5, you can't even buy these. It's funny because they're all selling out very quickly. But I digress. What's new?
I got some great bargains for you today.
I'm sure you do. Okay, I think this is like a teleporter, which takes me over there, but we can't go there yet. Oh boy, Constructobot. Whack. Whack. Whack! So, you want to know what else is actually great about this game? Other than the fact I just stupidly got hit. What's great about this game is it has its glitches. And one particular glitch in I think it's Blackwater City. You need a certain weapon for it, but there is a particular glitch that will actually allow you to really get rich quick. But I can't do it right now because I don't have the proper tools for it. But I will show you guys what that glitch is. It's a little tricky to do, but it basically exploits one of the hoverboard race mechanics. What's funny is, I think this was a glitch in the original PS2 version, and it actually works in the PS3 version as well. So, that's hilarious. I don't know if also, one more thing I should mention, and I don't know if I already have mentioned this before, but considering this game is only 20, the collection on PS3 is only $20, this game is gonna last me well over a week. Maybe even 2 weeks. Depending on how long I take to do everything. That's just how much of an absolute steal for content this game is. $20 to last you a week or two. And even then, you might think, oh, a week or two, that's not all that much. When you consider just how much you absolutely enjoy a game, well, I just want to say, $20 is a pretty good deal. Aw, there's a trophy that I could get. I don't know if it was a trophy or a skill point, but you could get a little achievement for knocking a Constructobot into the quicksand. Okay, yeah, there's like 2 different ways I can go. Don't try to toast me, good sir. You're not very bright, are you? You're literally standing near a bunch of explosive crates. What did you expect was gonna happen when you set it on fire? Oh crap, oh my god. That really pulled me in. This is not a planet you'd want to be stranded on if you don't know how to really survive here. Apologies if you can hear my folks in the background. We usually leave our doors cracked so that our cats can go in and out. Oh crap. There we go. I have a lot of bolts. That was cool. That was cool. The music for this game is like pretty good.
No signal whatsoever. This downtime is killing me.
Do you need medical attention, sir?
Don't be so literal, son. The problem is I'm stranded on this backwater planet and my star client is nowhere to be found.
Hey, we saw you on that info bot. You're Skidd's agent.
Was Skidd's agent. Haven't seen him since our ship crashed. And an agent without a client is like a flea without a dog. Say, you look like an athletic kid. If you can bring back the championship prize from the hoverboard races in Blackwater City, I'll make you my next star.
We have no time for trivial matters, sir.
I could be the next Skidd McMarx.
Clank has no idea just who he's dealing with. Ah. I don't have the proper equipment for these. Wait. I wonder. No, I didn't think so. I need Magna boots for that. I can't do much here, so let's go ahead and go explore the other area. Wait. Is there a teleporter over there that just takes me back to the start of the area? Let's find out. There is. That was cool. That was cool. I like that. Okay, let's go ahead and go back here, explore the other half of the, oh. Let's go ahead and explore the other half of the area. I think this was supposed to be a Skidd McMarx shop. Like this, apparently this was his shop in the, 2016 edition. But here, I think it's still his shop. It's just...
You will need a Gadgetron swing shot to traverse this area. Our records indicate that the swing shot is not available on this planet.
Well, damn. Alright, so... we'll have to go ahead and go back. I need to find a swing shot. Oh crap. If you sink in there 3 times, you're pretty much going to be pulled in and, you know, drown. Okay. So, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna end this episode here, folks. Until next time, in the next episode of Ratchet and Clank, I'm gonna go ahead and go to planet Kerwan, and we're gonna see if Captain Quark is still here. And hopefully he is. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more content in the future, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell. And I'll see you next time.